Hi, I'm Gary Lewis. Today we're going to be talking about a hot new product that we're all very excited about, brought to you by AccuTech. It's called the SMi stepper motor gauge. Stepper motor gauges use a small electric motor to drive the pointer. They are more precise than regular mechanical gauges. Each time you power up, the gauge will go through a full self-test presentation. All pointers will sweep the full scale and the LED lights come on. The water temp, oil temp, and fuel pressure gauges have a built-in two-stage warning system. The first warning, the light will go solid. The second warning, the light will blank. The oil pressure gauge has a three-stage warning system. First, the light comes on solid. The second warning, the light will flash. And the third warning, the back light, the main light, everything flashes all at once. The neat thing about this feature, and I'm very excited, is that the racer can choose these settings wherever he wants. To set the warning points to the driver's preference, simply push both buttons at the same time, hold it for 5 seconds. It'll drop down. At this point, you can use the right button to scroll up, the left button to scroll down. I'm going to set this one at 35. At that point, simply wait for it to drop down. This is the second warning. Set this wherever you want. I'm going to choose 30. There we go. Wait for it. Now this is your ultimate warning when you got a problem. 20 is what I believe should be. Just let it sit there. It'll go back to 0 and then it'll reset itself. There you go, just like that, everything's all set. You can change it whenever you want and it's very simple to do. Another neat feature about the AccuTech SMi gauge line is you have the choice of either having the background in blue or white. And it's a very easy adjustment. Just simply come in and push the button on the left side for about 3 seconds and it'll switch to white. Very simple process. If you want to go back to blue, just simply hold the button again for 3 seconds. There you have it, very user-friendly gauges. Another neat feature about the oil pressure gauge is it does have the wiring to hook up an external warning light if you so choose. The neat thing about this, the driver can put it wherever he's going to see it best when he's on the track. An electronic sensor is included with each gauge. All the gauges come pre-wired. Another neat feature about the gauge is that you don't have to run any oil or fuel up into the driver's compartment for safety reasons. The SMi gauges by Longacre are 2 5/8 in size. They use a polycarbonate ABS case that is virtually unbreakable. These gauges are very easy to install. Just connect the power and sensor wire and you're done. You can purchase these gauges individually or you can purchase them in a nice ABS panel that has a carbon fiber look to it. Individual gauges start at just $89.95.